What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to talk about solar eclipses. With the lunar eclipse coming up in a week, I think it's brought up a lot of questions about solar eclipses for some reason. People seem to still not understand them, even though they've been happening for an extremely long time. And by people, I mean flat earthers. So I just pulled up this list of 2020 to 2029 solar eclipses. Really, I did this because I wanted to pull up the one that most of us got to experience. But we can see there's a lot of solar eclipses throughout the 10-year span there. To teach some people, what we're going to do is go through a few things. So April 8th, we had a total solar eclipse. You can see the little white line. That's actually the sun. So you can see that the moon appears to be just slightly larger than the sun, and it covers it completely. Then back in October 14th, this came across the US. I don't know how many people got to experience it. It was kind of West Coast. This is called an annular solar eclipse. And this is where the moon is slightly smaller than the sun from our perspective. And you can see that where, although it goes in front of it, it doesn't fully block it out. So that's the difference between a total solar eclipse and an annular solar eclipse. And then if we look down here, we can see things called partial. Partial in 2029, there's actually 4 partial eclipses, no total or annular. And a partial eclipse is when the moon only partially covers the sun. These happen a lot more often than a total and an annular. And you too can access all of this data for free. The keyword there, for free, and understand and learn all of this. Because it's mostly flat earthers that don't understand how solar eclipses or lunar eclipses work, I'd love for a flat earther to dig in and try to figure out how this works on a flat earth, please, and then present that data, because I would love to see it and learn and understand how flat earth works. Now, thank you for coming to my educational TED Talk on solar eclipses and the difference between the types of solar eclipses. Alex, I'm specifically talking about you with this entire presentation.